I'm on! Hi guys, welcome back into the channel. So I'm going to be doing a video on this video in some crypto plays because I have some news and information. I want to update you guys on what's going on. We've seen a massive sell today in Safemoon. Some of my other crypto assets have been up over 100% on the last week, and I have been mentioning some Dogecoin and also some Elongate on my channel. I did also buy a new crypto asset today, so I want to talk about that. I also want to talk about crypto because I think that we need to actually currently be aware of what's going on. Bitcoin is actually crashing right now, and I do have a price prediction. Hopefully it's going to go down towards that 40,000 mark, maybe even that $37,000 mark, and if that is, then that's going to be a nice opportunity to in fact scoop up some shares at a very nice discounted price, because Bitcoin, as you guys know, I do believe is going to go to over £85,000 by the end of the year. I'm very convinced that Bitcoin is going to be here to stay. It is going to be used as a hedge against inflation moving forward, and that is why I think we should stay diversified as possible in the stock market, especially as you guys know we've had a absolutely stellar 2020, and moving into 2021 we've seen so many shifts and transitions, and right now crypto is so hot, which is why I think having at least 5% of your portfolio allocated into some crypto, maybe using it again as like some penny stocks and dabbling into some of those newer coins and meme coins, and then also put in the majority of that crypto obviously in like Ethereum and also Bitcoin. I've done full breakdowns on videos of Bitcoin and Ethereum, so if you want to understand what that is, then be sure to check out one of these videos that I will link above now, because I do have a lot of information there, and they are great videos, guys. They got some of the lowest views on my channel. The YouTube algorithm didn't favor them, but I spent a long time going through them because I think it's really important, like I said, to understand how cryptocurrency is going to in fact influence the future moving forward. And a lot of people are still brainwashed thinking that crypto is a scam, and I really don't think that that is the case. We are seeing a shift right now, especially in retail investors, into digital wallets. We're going to have fintech and blockchain be a part of our future, and banks are going to slowly start to disappear. We're going to be running banks from our phone. We're going to be able to get loans, mortgages, all sorts of things, and crypto is going to be another asset that we can actually keep our money in, like a digital wallet that will also grow and compound our money very, very quickly, almost like stocks will. So that is why I'm very, very bullish on this. And again, this is such a millennial thing, and moving into the future, the millennials will actually start to run and take over. We will see a shift. But let's just quickly dive up onto the chart. So you guys can see that Bitcoin has been selling off despite the fact that general markets are up today. We are in fact down on Bitcoin by almost 4%. The markets have now just finished and closed for the day. We are surprisingly up on Marathon Paint Group, but we did see a massive extended sell-off from those highs of about $60 all the way down to $35. Now I have alerted my Patreons this last week obviously about some opportunities where I am in fact buying in with Marathon Paint Group. So if you are someone that wants to get those buy and sell alerts, then be sure to join the Patreon. I will leave a link below in the description. And in the Patreon we have a lot of fun. We even have a jokes and meme page, and we do all support each other. So if you are someone that is in fact looking for some support because you are maybe very, very worried, then joining a group of community might be for you, because that way you'll get access to other people that are maybe in a similar mindset, and you can chat, and it is a very, very lovely community that we have created. So again, Marathon Painting Group, we have been scooping up those shares, and right now you can see that we have extended down to oversold levels on the RSI, and if Bitcoin does continue to sell off, then hopefully we can touch down onto that layer of 30, and I will definitely be loading up my boats fully, selling out some of those red shares, because Marathon Painting Group is so volatile. It does shift in swings and roundabouts very quickly, so we can expect a massive turnaround. Once we do start to see a turnaround in Bitcoin, Marathon Painting Group can be up double in the same day that Bitcoin is. So Bitcoin's up 5% on the day, guys, and we do see it fall down to 37,000, and it does then go back up to about 45, and we can expect Marathon Painting Group to be up around $50. So that is what I'm doing with our Marathon Painting Group in correspondence to the price of Bitcoin. But I did want to point out on here, one of the other cryptocurrencies I've been buying is in fact Planet Earth, is Save the Planet Earth. Now this is a kind of charity meme coin. It's very new, it's only been out a few days, and you can see the market cap is absolutely tiny. We are all the way down here after all these zeros with an 11, and it is in fact up 156% on the day. So if you were to put money in it again this morning, you would still now be up 156%. You can see just over the last few days here since April 20th, this is yesterday again, you can almost double, triple, quadruple your money every single time. So this stock was up over 600% in the last 2 days alone, which is absolutely incredible. If you can catch some of these meme plays, there is a lot of hype, there's a lot of risk. This is the absolute highest level of volatility and highest level of risk possible. So when I'm dabbing into these crypto coins, guys, then again, it is a very, very small allocation of my portfolio, almost like 0.5%. I'm treating it like a penny stock. I could lose essentially all of that money, but in fact, I have been gaining a lot on these stocks. I've been gaining more than 200% sometimes in a day like this, and then I actually take out my winnings immediately and I just let profits run, and I put that into my Binance coin, which is much more of a stable asset. It's one of the top 3 coins right now in the crypto space. So if I come back on the charts, you guys will be able to see that Binance coin is sitting at around $565. And if we go on to the top 20 cryptocurrencies right now, you can see that Binance coin is in fact the number 4th coin with a market cap of nearly 100 billion. It's at 94.98 billion right now. So this is a very serious cryptocurrency, guys. It is one of the top 5. You've got Bitcoin at the top, obviously, which has now passed over $1 trillion in market cap for the first time, which I did do a full video on. We've got Ethereum, which is very, very far behind it. So I think Ethereum is going to slowly start to catch up to that price in Bitcoin. So it's worth having some diversity into Ethereum, making sure that you are having not only Bitcoin in your portfolio, but also Ethereum, because it can run very, very well throughout this year as well, especially if we see that hype towards NFTs. So that is what I am looking at right now. I am looking at some of these plays. I have been alerted right now on some of the other stocks that I'm watching. I'm watching Dogecoin, which you guys know I've done a video on recently. I am also still watching Elongate. This is a stock that I am still in. I did actually take out my profits yesterday. We did see a big sell today, and that was due to the fact that Safemoon came up with some kind of scam. There was an article which was then reputed back, and that allowed a lot of these smaller cap crypto stocks to in fact sell off, and then again it has rebounded since. So these could be maybe nice entry points for Elongate at this kind of 83 mark, especially if we do get down back towards that 60 mark, then hopefully this will be a nice point to turn around again. There's a lot of speculation. These actually donate to charities, so coming into the long term, that there could be, you know, there could be some really, really nice gains to make here. But again, maybe holding these coins for the next few weeks. We don't know what is going to happen in the short or even the long term, but I did see some interviews with the co-founders of Elongate, and it was quite exciting to see that they do think this is going to be here to stay for the future. They're very, very excited to get this stock out, and they're going to be donating to different charities every few weeks. So I'm currently watching Elongate. I'm also watching Save the Planet. As I said, these guys are planting trees around the world. They are wanting to impact carbon emissions. They are also another charity crypto. There's not very many of them, guys. They only just started doing this, so this could be absolutely massive in a few years. We have no idea where this is going to go, but they are wanting to pump this right now, and they are on the market, so I just wanted to get my feet in very, very early. The other crypto plays that I'm watching right now, one of them is Veracity, which is about 3 cents right now. It's much more stable. It's been going up for a few months, as you can see. And we also have Federal Reserve, which is at 67 cents. So these are some of the other stocks, cryptos that I am watching right now, because again, I am making a few crypto videos every now and again to update you guys, because I think, again, like I said, it's really important to stay diversified. And I absolutely love learning all of this knowledge. Again, we can see on the top 20 crypto stocks, some of the most important ones on there. People are very bullish on the Bitcoin Cash and also the Litecoin. These are 2 that people talk about often, and also we've got the Polkadot. So these are all of the crypto assets right now that I'm watching. I hope this video was very insightful. If you did learn something new, then please be sure to go down there and smash the like button. That's all I ever ask. If you are new, welcome to this family of investors. My name is Jason. Why not join the family by hitting that big red subscribe button? If you would like my active buy and sell alerts, or perhaps you would like to just chat, then go and join the Patreon. There is a link below in the description. I would absolutely love to have you on board with the community. Guys, that wraps up this video. Stay safe, stay green, and stay positive, as I say, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.